na imbaga bigat kada kayo amin apo, ay maragsakanak na makita ka makadwa kayo amin dito. Apo, it really is so nice to be with you today. Our weather is perfect. It really is Marcos weather. And first of all, I would like to greet our national leaders that are here, Assistant Secretary Ana Carmelo Remigio, the Presidential Assistant for Northern Luzon, Assistant Secretary Jervy Gumarit, National Youth Commission, Regional Director Lawrence Mina, Regional Director, Office of the Civil Defense, Regional Office, Vice Governor Matthew Marcos Manotok, and the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Ilocos Norte, along with all the junior officials as well. The League of the Municipalities President, Mayor Nico Mides de la Cruz, Vice Mayor's League's President, Vice Mayor Maynard Bumanglad, mayors, vice mayors, Sangguniang Panlunsod, and Sangguniang Bayan members of the different municipalities and cities, heads and members of the different uniformed personnel in the province, the PNP, AFP, Coast Guard, and the BFP, head and representatives of the different national government agencies, along with the different provincial government of Ilocos Norte, heads and representatives of the non-government organizations, guests, and visitors. Good morning. It really is my honor to be with you here today as we celebrate the 208 years of our beloved Ilocos Norte, a home built by generations of Ilocanos, nurtured with care and strengthened by our shared hopes and dreams. Indeed, it really is something to be celebrated, 208 years of existence. And truly, we are one that sees the different generations that are here as well. And that's why we are very honored to have our junior officials that are here, just as much as we look back on our heritage. We also know that we also honor the future generations that are here. So I'd like to ask our future leaders to just stand up and be recognized all together, please, and may we give them a big hand. Okay. Thank you so much. We truly, for over 2 centuries, our province has quietly endured, grown, and flourished because of the patience, perseverance, and the love of its people. Napintas kenatan-ok ti probinsya tayo. We see the strength in the hands of our farmers, our manalons, our forever heroes, tending the fields in the courage of our frontliners, protecting our communities, in the dedication of our workers, and in the bright dreams of our agtutubo. From our coastal towns to our upland farms, it is care and effort of every Ilocano that continues to move our province forward. Here at the provincial government of Ilocos Norte, we remain committed to serving with heart. We promise to create opportunities, to protect our kakailian, and to ensure that progress we work for touches every Ilocano family. Guided by a serbisyo ang mapagtalkan, a service you can trust, we will continue to carry out programs that uplift lives, strengthen communities, and build a foundation of hope of generations to come. Today, as we celebrate our 208th founding anniversary, we would like to also take note that today we will be sharing all these blessings that we have encountered from the different offices that are here. The Office of Civil Defense will donate 1 unit of the pickup to be used by the PDRRMC of the provincial government, along with 800 flashlights, 910 shovels, The provincial government will be sharing as well the 23 units, motorcycles with sidecars, 7 units of hand tractors, 2 units of motorized bangka, drying nets, 100 bags fertilizers, 129 charitimba from the PCSO. Our beneficiaries for today will be the farmers, the fishermen, and the different barangays. So Ilocos Norte is our home, and together with love and courage, we will honor our heritage, embrace progress, and encourage every Ilocano to dream bigger, reach higher, and believe in what we can achieve together. May this 208th anniversary remind us of the strength, resilience, and goodness within each of us. May it also bring us closer as one province and inspire us to shape a future for the Ilocos Norte that we can proudly call our own. May we also acknowledge the blessing and the abundance of our Heavenly Father as He looks with favor upon our province. And once again, naragsak ang maika-208 nga anibersaryo Ilocos Norte. Agyaman ako and Diyos ti Agnina.